We have three main courses over here. Computer training, basic and AI spoken English. Third, CLEST. It is called Creativity Lab Employability Skill Training Program.
Hi guys, my name is Ibrahimi and you're watching H5 TV. A very warm welcome to all of you to Excellent Academy. So today we are here with Mr. Ashraf. So can you please brief about your academy, Mr. Ashraf?
Hello Azhar, thank you so much for dropping by. Excellent Academy was started with an aim. We had a vision of making the youth of Channapatna more productive. The thing is there have been a lot of training centers over here. But what is so unique about Excellent Academy is that we are offering some the programs which are we don't have any theoretical concept over here. We don't have theory, we don't have notes, we don't have exams. Entirely our programs are skill based, which will help them build their successful career. We wanted to empower the youth and transform their lives.
What makes unique to Excellent Academy? What are the courses you are offering?
We have three main courses here that we are offering, Azhar. One course is computer training, where we are teaching the kids, to the youth
As I heard, not only basic computers, but you are providing access to all the AI tools.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
From basic to AI tools.
Okay.
Then we have English also as well, having spoken English course over here. We are teaching professional fluent English course over here.
That is basic, intermediate and advanced.
Exactly.
Okay.
So our third course is our unique and one of the a core course of Excellent Academy that we are offering. That is called CLEST program. That is an employability skill. We wanted to make the youth of Channapatna more productive and more employable. So that was the reason that we implemented this program here.
Yeah. So as I heard, means the college degree is just a gate pass for the companies.
Yeah, exactly.
So whenever the companies look for a product, not a raw material.
Exactly.
So that will means I hope your academy will help the students or candidates to excel in this.
Exactly. You said right. So when a recruiter recruits a candidate, so he will ask for a degree, that is for sure. But along with that, he also needs skills and talents in the youth. So then only he can hire the youth because he can survive into the job. So that is just a gate pass, as you said. Degree is just a gate pass, and to work in the environment in a particular company, he needs the skill.
And when I saw the skill up Channapatna, that slogan makes me more attract towards your academy. Okay, so what is your message to the aspirants?
Like you asked, the main motive of Excellent Academy was to attract the passionate youth of Channapatna into this unique event called Skill Up Channapatna 2026. So here we had a chance to meet several youngsters over here and interact with them. We got to know what they really are in, what were their aims. So according to that, we also pitched whatever our programs were, and they were very enthusiastic and they were very quite interested in this, and it was a great opportunity for us.
Yeah, guys, I urge you to come and visit the academy and look their infrastructure, beautiful infrastructure, and they have really good settings. Even the mentor is really good. So they are offering you the computer training, not just basic. They provide you the AI tools too, and spoken English, and that might be your wonder. So it's professional one. Okay. So even he have a corporate experience. And then the last one is employability training. So there they prepare you for the career, okay? The career, personality development, especially soft skill, the way you talk, the confidence that speaks, that matters a lot for the job, okay? That is what they are offering, okay? So, ವೀಕ್ಷಕರೇ ನೀವು ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಜಾಬ್ ಹುಡುಕ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿಗೆ ನೀವು ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ವಿಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ನೀವು ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬಸ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಇಂದ ಚರ್ಚ್ ರೋಡ್ ಡೌನ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಶೆರಿ ಬೇಕರಿ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ರೈಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫೀಸ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದರ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಇವ್ರ ಎಕ್ಸಲೆಂಟ್ ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿ ಇರೋದು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ಲೋರ್, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ವಿಸಿಟ್ ಎನಿ ಟೈಮ್ ಮಂಡೇ ಟು ಸ್ಯಾಟರ್ಡೇ. That's their timing from 10 to up to 8 o'clock. Okay, so you can visit, you can join, you can enroll for the course, and you can lead your life excellently. That is what they want you all to. ಅವರು ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಂಪವರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಆ ಉದ್ದೇಶ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಲೈಫ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ. ಸೊ ಬನ್ನಿ, ವಿಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. That's all from my signing off for the day. So thank you so much, Mr. Ashraf, for hosting me here.
Thank you.
So bye for now. So see you in next video. Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka, Jai Channapatna.